your SST class. So this is a continuation from the previous chapter, that is villages of India. So in this chapter we have discussed already life in a village, isn't it? And two types of schools, primary and secondary schools, and the basic needs of villagers like clean drinking water, food, electricity, and we have also discussed these all needs will be fulfilled by the Gram Panchayat of that particular village. Now, today we will discuss Gram Panchayat. We will continue, okay? So, the first thing I have written here, Panchayat. Panchayat, a village council that usually consists of 5 members, okay? A village council, council means here, committee. Now, its function is to look after the people of the village, their needs, and solve their problems. So, this is the function of Panchayat. Now, the head of the Panchayat is called Sarpanch, Pradhan, or Panch. Okay? So, we'll discuss this in a brief here. Now, what is exactly Gram Panchayat? What is Gram Panchayat? We all know that we have already learned in the previous classes that government in states and union territories, they maintain law and order, isn't it? They fulfill the needs of the people, those who live in cities, towns, and union territories, states. All the requirements are fulfilled by government itself. Now the thing is, who is responsible for keeping law and orders and then to fulfill the requirements of the village? Who is responsible for that? So the answer is it is the village local government, okay, which is known as village panchayat or gram panchayat, who performs all the functions to fulfill the needs of the people, to maintain law and order. It is the village local government, and the village local government is called gram panchayat. Okay, so we'll discuss here. Now let us understand how exactly gram panchayat forms. What we all need to know is every village has gram panchayat. So each and every village has a gram panchayat. The people of the village who are 18 years and above have a right to vote, make up the Gram Sabha. So, suppose this is in a simple I write Gram Sabha. Okay, Gram Sabha. So in this Gram Sabha, who are there? People who are 18 years and above. 18 years and above. The people who are 18 years and above makes up the Gram Sabha. Okay? So Gram Sabha is kind of meeting in the village. Now, where the people meet. Okay? Now they discuss and they elect. Means they choose from here they choose 5 members, 5 members who are capable to rule the village or to fulfill the needs of the villagers. Okay, so this Gram Sabha in the meeting, okay, all the 18 years and above people, they choose 5 members who are capable to rule or to fulfill the needs of the villagers. Now these 5 members are called Panch, okay, and they are called Gram Panchayat. They are called Gram Panchayat. Okay, see, this Gram Sabha, they elects 5 members which are called Panch, and they makes up the Gram Panchayat. Alright, so the Gram Sabha chooses 5 members which are called Gram Panchayat. Gram Panchayat means here government at the village level. So they maintain the law and order at the village levels. Okay, it's not possible for the government itself to look and to go in the village and see to fulfill the needs of the village. It's not possible. So they make the Gram Panchayat who looks after the welfare of the villagers. Okay. Now let us read from the book which is given there. All people at the village who are above and 18 years of age elect the members of the village panchayat. As I have already told you, 18 years and above they form Gram Sabha. Okay, not all people, but those are 18 years and above, they form the Gram Sabha. Okay. The elected members of Gram Panchayat are called Panch. Elected 5 members of Gram Sabha are called Panch. Okay? The work of the Gram Panchayat is to look after the people of the village, their needs and solve their problems. I have already written here. Okay? One member is elected as the head of the Panchayat and is called the Sarpanch, Pradhan or Patil. Head of the Panchayat. Sarpanch, Pradhan or Patil. This is not Panch, Patil. Okay. So head of the Panchayat, Sarpanch, Pradhan or Patil. Now among these 5 members, one member is elected as a head of the panchayat, which is called Sarpanch or Pradhan or Patil. Okay, head of the panchayat among these 5 members. Okay, every panchayat must have one woman member. So in these 5 members, one member should from woman gender. Okay, woman category. Now let's discuss the main functions of Gram Panchayat. Function. I have already written in a brief, so let us discuss this. It helps farmers to purchase good seeds, tractors, fertilizers, tools and other machinery. We have learned that in a village, people, they work on the fields, they grow crops. So this is very much important that they should be provided with good seeds, with proper tools, proper fertilizers, so that their crops grow well, isn't it? And the tractors also. Next point, it provides water supply in the village, which is very much important. We don't have good facility of water, so it's very much big problem in any village. Okay. It provides. It means here the functions, we are discussing the function of Gram Panchayat. It provides electricity in the village, both in houses and on the streets. As you walk on towards the village, you can see some lights are, some street lights are there. So it was maintained by this Gram Panchayat. It constructs and maintains roads in the villages. So it should have at least one way of transport, mode of transport. So that road is very much important to develop any village. It plants trees in the village and on roads. It manages garbage disposal. Now in our area nowadays, one vehicle comes, isn't it, to take our garbage, so that they dispose that garbage is in particular place. It provides education for children and adults. They put up some programs for both children and adults. Okay, educational programs. Now they put up some schools. they build some schools, small schools where children can go and educate themselves. Now it sets up health centers. It is very much important. Health centers means like small kind of hospitals where people can go and do checkups, isn't it? For their satisfaction. Okay. Now I think we'll stop here today. We'll continue this in the next class. So please go through this and see these videos properly, and do read at home. Okay, so this much for today. We'll meet in the next class. Thank you.